Hydrogen, the first element, the foundation of the stars, the spark behind all life. In the Earth's early days, hydrogen was naturally abundant, supporting nutrient-rich soils and thriving ecosystems. It was part of the original blueprint. So on Saturdays, I give back to what came before us, the plants, the soil, the roots of it all. Not just with water, but with sacred, structured, energized support, elemental, intelligent, exactly what nature remembers. Because restoration starts at the root.